back to my channel. My name is Andrea, or you can call me Andie. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of the Bailey Sarian with Estate Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Well, I actually purchased this on Black Friday, and I'm going to be opening it now. I've had it for a while, just looking at it. But Christmas happened, and then New Year's happened, so I've been, you know, just enjoying the time with my son and all that good stuff. I am struggling to open this box. I'm being careful. Okay. Damn. Okay, so this is gonna be completely first impressions. I have patiently waited until I had the free time to film this, so oh my god, I'm so excited. Here she is. Oh, like a complete first impressions of the products that I got. I don't remember what it came with. I think it was like some lip products and the eyeshadow palette. Anyways, so yeah, completely first impression. Oh my god, it's so cute. Everything looks so cute and pink. Okay. So this is everything it came with. So I think what I'm gonna do is, as I open a product, I'm gonna try it on and just see what happens. So this is the Estate highlighter in Do Me. I just gave myself poly gel nails. Let's show you from far away. So I'm like struggling to open stuff because I don't know, I haven't had nails in a long time, and these are not long at all, but they're okay. Anyways, I'm struggling to open because of that. So this is a highlighter first. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, I need to stop looking at myself. Right here. I think that's as good as it's gonna get as far as like showing you what that looks like up close. Let me get a brush to put some on. I need a better brush. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush that I got a long time ago, the P65 by Wet n Wild. So I'm just going to take some. I don't really know. Was I already glowing before? Oh, I have a mirror. My mom got me this mirror for Christmas. Ooh. Sorry, that was really deep, but it's so pretty. I can't stop putting it on. Oh my lord. Okay, I don't want to go overboard, but jeez. Where else are you supposed to highlight? I'm gonna try it on this cheek with my finger. I'm gonna try it on this cheek with my finger. See what? Oh my god. Wow. Okay. That is pretty. I just keep wanting to put more on, you know. It doesn't look like powdery, or it doesn't look like yellow. It just looks like glowy. So the verdict on the Do Me highlighter by Estate Cosmetics, I freaking love it. Should I show you in the sun? I wanted to show you what this looked like in like direct sunlight. really quick. Next is the lip icing in drip, and this is the packaging. Oh, it's like donut frosting. How cute is that? Here is the lip icing. Is this just, I'm pretty sure this is just like a regular gloss. This is a matte lipstick. What is this? Oh yeah, this is matte lipstick. This is lip gloss. So actually, let me take this off really quick. Okay, so I took off what I had on my lips right now. And what I'm gonna try out first is the matte lipstick, and then I'll try on the gloss on top of that. I don't want to try on the gloss and then take it off and then put this on. So this is the Wet Matte Liquid Lips in Snack by State. This is the packaging for that one. So I'm gonna use my mirror. Here it is in the tube. It's gonna be pretty. I already know it's gonna be pretty. Here we go. Is that like a... I'm not even gonna guess the name of that. Okay. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my god. Someone is like pounding something outside. It's freaking me out. Wow. Yeah, pronner. It's very thin. Look, I got freaking lipstick right there. It's very thin. So I like the liquid lip. Very pretty, very matte in Snack. Yeah, that was in Snack. Very pretty, very matte, and very easy to apply, not sticky at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the lip icing on top of this and see exactly how it's gonna make it pop. Ooh, okay. Whoa, it's pretty. Those are some juicy ass lips, I'm not gonna lie. That is such a pretty lip combo. And I'm not one to wear matte lipstick actually. I usually just go for glosses or chapstick. I usually really go for chapstick, I'm not gonna lie. I never ever really wear lip gloss or lipstick, but this is a really pretty combo, and if I was going out and I had to wear lipstick and lip gloss, I would wear this color. So the last thing, the most important thing in this box, the Venice palette that the Venice palette that Bailey Sarian did with Estate Cosmetics. I wanted this for so long. Oh my lord. It is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like this size. It's freaking huge. Okay, so let's do this. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this. I've been waiting for this for so long. Oh my god. It's freaking dark in here already. These are big. Is this right? This is right. This is big. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Here's the palette. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Okay, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be, and the sizes of the little eyeshadow pans are huge. I'm so excited. I think I'm just gonna pop a color in my crease real quick. I just want to try a little bit of the purple. I think that was like the main reason why I wanted this palette. I just want like the tiniest pop of color right there, right now. Okay, I really just want to, there we go, swirling it. It's so pretty. All right, well, that looks really pretty. Gotta separate my lashes. I think I'm gonna take like one more color. So I took roller skates, so I'm gonna take tan lines. I'm just gonna put some of that brown in there now. Just soften it up a little bit. So I'm definitely not a professional when it comes to makeup. Just want to throw that out there. Kind of just do what works for me. I'm not like a makeup artist or anything. I think that's what I'm trying to say. Definitely not. Yeah, that is a really pretty freaking palette. Okay, you guys, I had to throw on my glasses because my eyes are starting to hurt. But I love this whole little collection that I got. It was so fun to open. The palette is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I already said that. The lipstick looks better on me than I thought it was going to. The liquid lip, I thought it was going to be darker, and it's not too dark. And the lip gloss is super shiny. I can't wait to see also what it looks like on its own. And what else? And the highlighter. The highlighter was my absolute favorite. It's so soft. It's not chunky at all. And it looks really pretty. So yeah, big fan of Bailey Sarian. Oh my god, I love her. So I am happy that I was able to support her. So like, comment, subscribe if you want, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.